In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete submissions in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove an entry safely, where it goes after you delete it, and what to expect during the process. First, head to My Forms. This is the main dashboard where all your forms live. Take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct form, especially if you manage multiple versions or similar titles. When you've found the right one, click the form once to select it. A single click highlights the form without opening the builder, keeping your focus on the management options for that form. Next, choose Submissions. This opens Jotform Tables, which is a spreadsheet-style view of every response your form has collected. You'll see columns for each field in your form, along with timestamps and any other data you're capturing. Now find the submission you want to delete. If you have a lot of entries, use the search bar or apply filters to narrow things down by date, keywords, or specific fields. Sorting by the submission date can also help if you know it's one of the most recent entries. Before you proceed, double-check that you've selected the right row. Deleting an entry is straightforward, but it's always a good idea to confirm you're removing the correct one. Hover your mouse over the row you want to delete. On the far right, you'll see a three-dot menu appear. Click that menu to reveal more actions tied to this specific submission. Choose Delete. Jotform will then ask you to confirm by selecting Move to Trash. This confirmation step is intentional. It prevents accidental removal and gives you a buffer in case you change your mind shortly after. Once you confirm Move to Trash, the submission is removed from your active table and placed into the form trash. It's important to note that this is not a permanent deletion. Think of it as a temporary holding area where the entry no longer appears in your main list but isn't gone forever yet. This safety net is especially helpful if you're cleaning up test entries or duplicates and want a little peace of mind while you tidy things up. That's all there is to it. Go to My Forms, select your form, open Submissions, find the entry, use the three-dot menu, click Delete, and confirm Move to Trash. You've successfully removed the submission from your live table, with the reassurance that it's sitting in the form trash if you need to revisit it.